Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, Inc., is a technology-focused company delivering products, services, and solutions primarily for the United States national security market, allied nations, and select commercial enterprises. They are known for providing affordable, disruptive technologies for critical defense needs. Here are their key areas. First, unmanned systems, or drones. Kratos is a leader in producing high-performance aerial target systems, which are jet-powered drones used to test weapons and train warfighters. They also develop advanced, affordable unmanned combat aerial systems, like the XQ-58A Valkyrie, designed for missions such as loyal wingmen, intelligence gathering, and carrying weapons. This focus is on attritable, low-cost mass drones. They also produce propulsion systems for drones and missiles. Second, space systems and satellite communications. Kratos is a major provider of satellite ground systems, including software for command and control and ground infrastructure for military, government, and commercial satellites. They are leading the modernization of ground operations with software-defined, virtualized solutions like their open space platform. They also provide spectrum monitoring and management solutions. Third, training solutions. Kratos develops advanced simulation and training for warfighters, integrating virtual, augmented, and mixed reality technologies for immersive learning. Fourth, microwave electronics and C5ISR systems. They manufacture specialized microwave electronic products used in missiles, radar, and space. They also deliver highly integrated C5ISR systems for missile defense, command and control, and electronic warfare. Finally, hypersonic systems. Kratos is involved in developing and testing hypersonic vehicles and related technologies. In essence, Kratos Defense positions itself as a disruptive force in defense, rapidly delivering advanced, affordable technologies for national security, especially in unmanned systems and space.
Okay, let's go.